heat of sublimation or enthalpy of sublimation. This is today's lesson. Let us see the matter in detail. What is heat of sublimation? Let us take solid carbon dioxide, which is also known as dry ice. Here, 1 mole solid carbon dioxide has been taken. 1 mole solid carbon dioxide, it means 44 gram carbon dioxide. That is, gram molecular mass of carbon dioxide is 44 gram. When this 44 gram carbon dioxide is converted to carbon dioxide gas directly, then it receives some amount of heat. This heat is known as heat of sublimation. Here, the amount of heat is 32.3 kilojoule. Actually, this heat is called heat of sublimation. Heat of sublimation is denoted by delta H. Sublimation for carbon dioxide solid, that is dry ice. Heat of sublimation is positive, 33.3 kilojoule per mole. This positive sign indicates endothermic reaction, reception of heat. Here, unit of heat of sublimation is kilojoule per mole, because here 1 mole sublime is used. Solid carbon dioxide is a kind of sublime. 1 mole sublime, that is 1 mole solid carbon dioxide is used. That is why here kilojoule per mole. Again, let us take solid iodine. 1 mole solid iodine. Gram molecular mass of iodine is 106 gram. This is as well is a kind of sublime. When this is converted to gas directly without being solid, then it receives some amount of heat. This heat is known as heat of sublimation. Here, the amount of heat is 62.3 kilojoule. Actually, this heat, the heat or the energy which is required to convert 1 mole sublime to gas from solid directly, which is known as heat of sublimation. Heat of sublimation is denoted by delta H. Delta H sublimation. Here, solid iodine, the value is plus 62.3 kilojoule per mole. Per mole, because here 1 mole sublime is used. Now, let us define what is heat of sublimation. The amount of heat required to convert 1 mole sublime from solid to gas directly without being liquid state. That amount of heat is known as heat of sublimation. The amount of heat required to convert 1 mole sublime to gas directly from solid, that amount of heat is known as heat of sublimation. Heat of sublimation or enthalpy of sublimation. Thank you for watching.